Hello everyone, so this is our lesson for today, solving quadratic equations by factoring. To solve such quadratic equations, number 1, you have to transform the quadratic equation into a standard form if necessary. When we say standard form, it is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, then number 2, you have to factor the quadratic expression. Next, number 3, on how to solve quadratic equation, apply the zero product property by setting each factor of the quadratic expression equal to 0. What is the zero product property? Okay, so the zero product property, if the product of two real numbers is 0, then either of the two is equal to 0 or both numbers are equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin, yung factor na nakuha natin, equate natin sa 0. Okay, so next, let's have another step to solve quadratic equations. For number 4, solve each resulting equations. Okay, so now we have an example number 1. Find the solutions of x squared plus 9x equal to negative 8 by factoring. Okay, so this is the first step. You have to transform the equation into a standard form. The ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, so this is the original equation, x squared plus 9x equals negative 8. To change into standard, we're going to transpose negative 8 to the other side, to the left side of the equation. So negative 8 will change the sign, it becomes positive. Therefore, we have now the equation x squared plus 9x plus 8 equal to 0. So now it is in the standard form. Okay, after we change the equation into standard form, this is the step number 2, factor the quadratic expression x squared plus 9x plus 8. Okay, and then magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang factor since the highest exponent is 2. Okay, to factor 8, which is the last term, whose sum is 9. So, dapat yung sum ng factor ng 8 is 9, positive 9. Okay, so to factor 8, we have 1 times 8 is positive 8. Negative 1 times negative 8 is positive 8. And then the next step is to add this factor. So if we're going to add 1 plus 8, it is equal to positive 9. Okay, next, negative 1 plus negative 8 is negative 9. So, we choose to factor 1 times 8. Okay, first, we're going to factor x squared. To factor x squared, we have x times x. So, isusulat na natin doon sa first term ng binomial factor natin. So, x times x. And then, we're going to choose the factors of 8, which is 1 times 8. Because the sum of 1 and 8 is 9, which is the middle term. So, we have now x plus 1 times x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, next, letter C. Apply the zero product property by setting each factor of the quadratic expression equal to 0. So, equate natin sa 0. So, we have x plus 1 times x plus 8 equal to 0. And then, we have now the x plus 1 equal to 0. And the other one is x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, next, for letter D, solve each resulting equation. X plus 1 equal to 0 and x plus 8 equal to 0. We're going to solve for x. Okay, to solve for x, we're going to add both sides by negative 1, both left and the right of the equation. So, positive 1 plus negative 1 is 0. 0 plus negative 1 is negative 1. Therefore, we have x equals negative 1. So, that is the first value of x. And for x plus 8 equal to 0, again, we're going to add both sides by negative 8. Okay, to solve for x. So 8 plus negative 8 is 0. Then we have 0 minus 8 is negative 8. Therefore, the second value of x is equal to negative 8. Then the answer, the equation x squared plus 9x equals negative 8 has two solutions, and they are x equals negative 1 or x equals negative 8. Okay, so that is how to solve quadratic equation by factoring. Okay, so let's have another example. Example number 2, solve 9x squared minus 4 equals 0 by factoring. Okay, in this example, 9x squared minus 4 equal to 0 is in standard form. Okay, bx is 0. So, it is already in standard form. And then now, we can factor the quadratic expression. Okay, to factor, we can apply factoring difference of two squares since if you're going to observe the quadratic equation, the first term is perfect square and the second term or the last term is also a perfect square and the middle term is negative. Okay, so we can apply the factoring of difference of two squares. Okay, the resulting product is the sum and difference of two squares. Okay, so we have 9x squared minus 4 equal to 0. Then we're going to find the square root of 9x squared and the square root of 4. Okay, it's the square root of the first term and the square root of the last term. Therefore, we have now the square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of x squared is x and the square root of 4 is 2. Okay, now we're going to write the result, the 3x and 2 as sum and difference. So we have now the factor 3x plus 2 and 3x minus 2 then equate to 0. Again, 9x squared minus 4 is difference of two squares because the first term and the last term are perfect square and the middle term is negative. So that's why we apply the factoring of difference of two squares, and the resulting product is sum and difference of the square root of the first and last. Okay, next step is to set each factor to 0. So we have 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Then solve each resulting equation. We have now 3x plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, to solve, we're going to add both sides by negative 2. Okay, so therefore we have 2 plus negative 2 is 0 and 0 plus negative 2 is negative 2. Therefore, we have now 3x equals negative 2. Okay, to solve for x, we're going to eliminate 3. To eliminate 3, we're going to divide both sides by 3. So, we can cancel 3. Then, now we have x equals negative 2 over 3. And that is the first value of x. Okay, for 3x minus 2 equal to 0, we're going to add positive 2. To eliminate 2. Positive 2 for the both side. Okay, so negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So that's why we have 3x equals 2. Then, eliminate 3. We're going to divide both sides by 3. So we can cancel 3. 3x divided by 3 is x. Then we have x equals to 2 over 3. And that is the second value of x. Okay, so the answer is the equation 9x squared minus 4 equal to 0 has two solutions. Okay, we have x equals negative 2 over 3, x equals 2 over 3. Okay, so I think you are ready for your activity. So let's find out. Do your best. So this is the direction. Solve the following equation by factoring. Okay, so the first one is x squared plus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. Number 2, 4x squared minus 81 equal to 0. And number 3, x squared minus 3x equals 40. Okay. Okay, you can do it and good luck. So this is my reference, grade 9 Math Learners module. And this is my YouTube channel, Math-ish.